Hi, my name is Neena Pathak, and today we are going to learn science. The science lesson is about cloud and weather. This aligns with the NGSS standard Earth Systems 3 ESS2. The disciplinary core idea is weather and climate. Scientists record pattern of the weather across different times and areas so that they can make predictions about what kind of weather might happen next. To understand how clouds are formed, and how they are related to weather, let's begin. You have seen clouds in the sky. They are of different shapes and colors. These clouds are classified as fog, stratus, stratocumulus, nimbostratus, altostratus, altocumulus, cirrus, cirrostratus, cirrocumulus, cumulonimbus, cumulus, and contrails. So many different shapes and sizes of clouds. But what are clouds? How are clouds formed? How can clouds help predict the weather? Before we answer these questions, let's try an experiment. Here are the materials you will need: an empty glass jar, some ice cubes, matchbox, and hot boiling water. I will show you how this demonstration is done. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a cloud in a jar. For this, I'm going to pour some hot boiling water inside an empty jar. I will leave it for about 30 seconds. Next, I will pour out most of the water. I'm going to use matchsticks and then take a packet of ice cubes and cover the top of the jar. I would like you to observe closely what happens inside the jar. If you see carefully, there are some water droplets on the side of the jar as well. Now, let's take out the ice cubes and see what happens. Whoa! Did we create clouds inside a jar? Yes, we did. Let's now try and understand the process. What did you see in the jar? A cloud. Where did the cloud come from? The water at the bottom of the jar. How did warm water affect the cloud formation? It caused the water to evaporate and warmed the air, causing it to rise. What did the ice cubes do to help the cloud form? It cooled the air, made water vapor condense. What role did the matchstick and its smoke play in the cloud formation? It gave the water something to condense or grab onto. Now, what would you tell me a cloud is made of? If you said droplets of water, you are right. Here is the explanation of what happened. When hot water is poured in the jar, some of it turns into water vapor. The water vapor rises. Vapor meets the cold air that is created by the ice cubes on the top of the jar. Water vapor condenses to form water droplets. Cloud can only form if the water vapor has something to condense on. The smoke helped with this process. In real life too, The air that is heated by the sun's energy rises up. As it meets the cold air in the atmosphere, it forms water vapor that condenses. This water vapor condenses on the particles of dust, pollen, or pollution to form clouds. Did you know that clouds can help us tell about the weather? If you see cirrus clouds, they are wispy and they predict approaching front or stormy weather. The cirrocumulus clouds are small, rounded white puffs. They predict fair but cold weather. Cumulonimbus are the heavy, dense clouds, and they look like towers. They may bring heavy showers and lightning or hail. Nimbostratus are the dark, gray, low clouds that predict widespread rain. Now it's your turn. You can be creative and present what you learned about how clouds are formed and how they can help predict the weather. You can use technology to research about the topic. Your presentation can be in form of a poster, song, or PowerPoint. This will be assessed based on a rubric. The rubric will look for display, how you have displayed the information, how you have organized it, how you have explained the formation of clouds, and how different clouds can help in prediction of weather. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.